Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic Astra, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down and find More Security and Privacy. Scroll down again and find Encryption and Credentials. Let's tap. So as you can see at the bottom of the list, we've got the option we are looking for, so Clear Credentials. Simply tap on it and tap on OK. Now let's enter your screen lock if you've got one to confirm. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also the option Clear Credentials is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.